Alright, today I have a nice little rack set up of separates. They're all Luxman. I've actually got 6 pieces, including the remote and the IR receiver, which is kind of the big allure to this unit, just to get the remote, a working remote with an IR receiver. They're extremely expensive to get for these units because they didn't make a ton of them, and they're not out there to get. But I've got 4 separate pieces. Top one being the digital synthesized stereo tuner. It's a T-102 Luxman, and then I've actually got the system remote control center, and that can control any pieces that you have. There are, a few other pieces that you can pick up for this unit, but these are the pieces that I have to be used with it. There is actually a CD player that matches this unit and can actually be run with it too. Again, I can go ahead and throw out there that each one of these pieces can be pulled out of this unit. They're not, there's no specific cords that you have to use, and they can only be used with each other. They can be used with anything. The setup in the back is set up to run with anything. But anyway, as I was saying, the remote control center, it's the U-100 remote control center. Then I've got the cassette deck, and it is a K108. It's got about every option you can think of. It works completely. I'll run through the options here in a minute on it. I've also got the LV-100 integrated amplifier, and it's the step up from the LV-90, and the 90 has half the watts that this unit does. It's a solid 45 watts per channel stereo run, and it's got a lot of power to it. Good, crisp, clear sound. But I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. I'll kind of run through the options so you can see it, and we'll go from there. Power up the amp. There's the cassette deck, remote control center, and then we've got the tuner. I actually already had this playing. You can see on the cassette deck, both dials work well. I don't have it set on anything at the moment. I'll go ahead and stop that, but I'll kind of run through. This is the remote. I actually have 2 of the remotes, but one of them here isn't working. I'm just throwing it in, for parts or just for giggles, either way. But this one is, the unit actually came with 2 remotes, and one of them had, I don't know, been worn out or something, but this one is not working. But this one works just fine, and I've actually got the IR unit already hooked up. Everything's hooked in. I'll go ahead and hit, I don't know if you can see here, there you go. I'm going to hit the tuner. There's got the tuner in. Of course, I've got it, it's already on a station, but I don't have a whole lot of channels that'll come in, but
McGraw is coming to town in May.
But
there for free. It's a Where the
go ahead and put it on the tape.
Weekend. Listen to win from the country station.
So you can see
for over 35 years.
The tape's right there. Got volume control on it also. There you go. I'll go ahead and turn it up a little bit. can be controlled through either that unit, or it can be controlled here. On the amplifier itself, I'll go ahead and show you a couple of things on here. You can go through the music search, and it'll actually search down the dead spots, so it'll go to the next song. You get the point there. Regular fast forward, the motors are both strong, belts are good. Rewind, stop it, play it, good. Pause is working, lights are good. Everything on there is running real well. But I'll actually show you. I'll go to the just auxiliary port. I've got, you know, plugged in bed. I'll show you it going to.
I've been trying to do it right.
As you can see on the IR sensor right here, I'll turn the volume up and down. You can see it flashing to let it know.
So show me family, all the blood.
That's pretty much it. There's plenty of ports for you to add other things into it. You know, as far as it's got the phono, it's actually got a CD, a tuner, audio, video. If you get into the remote control, the system remote control center, it's got as much as 8 different inputs that you can add to it. You can record, you can play. It's just a great little setup. But good luck, happy bidding.